Hello guys, so I want to break down trade that I took today on Nasdaq. First of all, we had CPI news this morning, right here. When the news came out, we pushed all the way up to here. So I was looking for resistance, so I came back in the time and I saw this area right here. I marked it up and I was waiting for a breakout, right? So when this candle open, I see we are breaking out right here. As soon as this candle close and this candle form as a flat, meaning no wicks underneath it, I see we here break the previous wick. As soon as I see this confluence, I enter trade right around here. My stop loss below this candle, and I aim for 1 to 2. It's that simple. Thank you for watching.